on it? Hang on, yeah. Hang on. Oh, sorry.
Okay, ladies and gents, please don't panic. You can still see Mickey Mouse and Santa. But we are about to switch the lights on. So, can the holder of ticket number 87 come and find me? On the back of Santa's bag. Oh, hello! What's your name? Harry! Hello, Harry! Well done,
It's turned on.
Harry's 9 and you... So Harry's 9 and he's from Winterton, so I'm going to take him down. I'm going to go for everybody else. So this is the lucky winner. We'll just have to have their picture taken.
Disneyland.
Right, Mickey. Hello Mickey, I'd like to welcome you to Winterton on behalf of the Town Council and the new Key Local Research Project. Everybody a great big cheer for Mickey please. I'd also like to thank Santa, he's been working really hard today and it's a very busy month for him. So thank you very much Santa at the ready. Okay, so Harry and Mickey and Dan, and we're about to switch those lights on, so we're going to go round here. So I'd like everybody to do a countdown, please. Oh, God. So that's from 10 to 0 backwards.
Backwards.
There you go.
Can I give you that for a couple of photos?
Oh, take photos. I'm not good with cameras. Is it even turned on? No.
Sorry. No, it's not.
How do you turn it on? Oh my god, this is tense. Do you want to come around this way?
Is it better?
Can you see? Oh, no.
Oh, there you go.
Ah! Moved.
Okay, people, are we ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sorting out a beautiful Christmas. So 3 cheers for that, we'll hit.
Do you have a
And to our town clerk Angela. And also to Daniel and Nikki and Chris from the Butcher's Arms for helping us to get Mickey Mouse here this evening. I nearly said Mickey Mouse. There's a trick for you, Nikki, for next year. So we'll have Nikki and Mickey Mouse. So thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your evening. There's still some sweets and photos to be taken. Thank you very much, Winterton.
That looks like a really happy Oh, get it draft in the back of the
I love how kids are doing going on set.
The camera on. I think this is Danny's camera.
So Calvin, you'll be here again in a couple of weeks when Mickey comes to the fair on the 16th at the Old School Hall. So be there and miss it.
I'll get a photo. Get a photo, Christy. Oh, that's adorable.
I don't think they're going to be able to book him next year.